Welcome to Exam Sale. In this video we will walk through the syllabus for the Salesforce Certified Advanced Administrator exam so you know exactly what to study and how much time to allocate. This exam is divided into 5 domains with exact weights. Data and Analytics Management 28%, Business Process Automation 27%, Security and Access 20%, Objects and Applications 19%, and Communication and Management 6%. Each domain lists a difficulty level, an estimated learning time, and the assessment type to guide your preparation. I will summarize what you must learn in each domain and highlight the key topics you should master. Data and Analytics Management is 28% of the exam, labeled hard, with an estimated learning time of 35 hours and a scenario-based assessment. You will learn advanced reporting techniques like creating and managing custom report types, using cross-filters, designing joined reports, bucketing, summary formulas, historical trending, and configuring reporting snapshots and folder permissions. You will also master data quality and maintenance, including duplicate management rules, data integration for record enrichment, bulk update and delete strategies, validation rules, and migration tool selection. Finally, expect external data management skills such as configuring Salesforce Connect, external objects, relationships involving external data, data requirements, external data permissions, and assessing the impact on reporting and storage. Business Process Automation carries 27% of the exam, is rated hard, and requires about 40 hours of study with hands-on plus conceptual assessment tasks. You will build advanced flows using loops and collections, decide when to use before save versus after save flows, design subflows for modular automation, handle flow errors with fault paths, integrate flows with external systems, and apply best practices for flow versioning and activation. The syllabus also covers approval processes and workflow, where you'll design multi-step approvals, configure dynamic routing and approval actions, troubleshoot stuck approvals and record locking, and understand legacy workflow limitations. Service level management topics require configuring entitlements, service contracts, milestones and milestone actions, automating milestone updates via flow, and reporting on SLA compliance. Security and Access represents 20% of the exam, is medium difficulty, requires 25 hours, and is assessed conceptually and with scenarios. You will design scalable access models starting with organization-wide defaults, complex role hierarchies, sharing rules, manual sharing, account teams, restriction rules and field-level security across profiles and permission sets. Enterprise security controls include implementing multi-factor authentication requirements, configuring my domain and single sign-on settings, managing session security and login IP ranges, auditing activity with event monitoring and setup audit trail, and selecting use cases for Shield platform encryption. You will also cover territory management by configuring enterprise territory management hierarchies, defining territory assignment rules and types, assessing visibility impacts, and implementing territory-based reporting. Objects and Applications makes up 19% of the exam, is medium difficulty, requires about 20 hours, and includes both hands-on and conceptual assessment items. You will perform declarative customization by implementing custom metadata types, using custom settings, configuring record types and page layout assignments, managing picklist value sets and dependencies, designing Lightning app pages and utility bars, and applying dynamic actions and dynamic forms. On application design and mobile topics you will customize the Salesforce mobile app experience, configure mobile navigation and quick actions, design multi-currency and multi-language environments, manage application level security and visibility, and evaluate when to use custom apps versus standard apps. Communication and Management accounts for 6% of the exam, is easy, takes an estimated 10 hours, and is assessed through conceptual and scenario-based questions. You will distinguish sandbox types such as developer and full, manage sandbox refresh cycles, data masking, and determine deployment dependencies using change sets and other deployment tools while analyzing managed versus unmanaged package impacts. Governance and user communication topics cover assessing app exchange solutions, implementing system maintenance communication strategies, defining Center of Excellence responsibilities, and managing Salesforce release updates through impact analysis. In summary, this certification requires roughly 130 hours of focused study across scenario-based and hands-on assessments, with the heaviest emphasis on data and analytics management and business process automation. Prioritize hands-on practice, build real flows and reports, and review security and deployment scenarios to prepare thoroughly. Good luck with your study, and use this syllabus to structure a targeted plan for passing the Salesforce Certified Advanced Administrator exam.